going to look at how to set up Roon to stream directly to the new Focus speakers. The new Focus supports a lot of streaming services. One of them is Roon. The new Focus is a Roon-ready endpoint. But what is Roon? Roon is a music server software that you can install on a computer or a NAS server or a dedicated device. And Roon allows you to browse your own music library as well as Tidal and Cobas. Once you have the Roon server software on the same network as the new Focus speakers, it's very simple to enable the speakers inside the Roon software. So what you do is, inside Roon, go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Audio. And here you'll find a list of devices that Roon can play to. And you'll notice that the new Focus speakers is visible in several places in here because there are different ways to stream to the speakers from inside Roon. You can do it via AirPlay or Chromecast, but the best way to do it is to use Roon's own streaming protocol. So to do this, you find the speaker under the Roon Ready tab, select the button called Enable, and then it will prompt you to give the product a name, so we can write in whatever name we prefer. And then we are ready to start playing to the speakers. Once the speakers are enabled in the Roon software, you can select them as a system output. Then we're ready to play music on the speakers. Once the speakers is connected to the Roon software, you can control the volume from inside the Roon software. You can also see an advanced setup. In general, Dynaudio recommends that you stick to the default settings as they are already selected by Roon to provide the optimum performance on these speakers. A nice detail inside the Roon software is that if you press this star button, you'll get an overview of the signal path from Roon to the speakers, so you can check that the quality is intact throughout the signal path. It will even tell you if the smart grill is connected or not on the speaker. So now you're ready to enjoy perfect audio playback from within Roon. That's really all there is to it.